Hey, this is John at Happy Wife Acres, and today we're going to review this cordless drill from Hychika. So before we get started, three things. One, we don't get paid for reviews. Two, we don't accept affiliate commissions. And three, our reviews are honest because we don't take any money. This is how the box comes. There's a lot for the money. This is in the $50 price range. Comes with a nice tool bag, of course the drill, the charger and battery, instruction manual, and a nice toolkit. The toolkit has some paddle drills, some regular drills, some 1/4-inch sockets with a 1/4-inch adapter, and some screw adapters. So Hychika is not necessarily a household name, probably a name you did not recognize. I didn't. But you can buy this at several places. You can buy it through Amazon, through Walmart, through Home Depot. I got this from Newegg. It does come with a warranty. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee, lifetime tech support, and 24-month warranty extension for quality-related issues. I'll go over a few of the features. I did put this in the charger to make sure it was charged up. I tested a little bit, so it's still coming out red here. That's kind of nice. It's got a red and a green to let you know when it's fully charged. It'll turn green. You just pull this out. This slides into the front of the drill, snaps in, and good to go. It's very balanced. I like that. It feels good. It's got a nice quality feel to it. It has an LED light down here, so as soon as you press the trigger a little bit, it comes on and it goes off automatically after a few seconds. It has 2 speeds. One has a maximum of 400 RPM. 2 has a maximum of 1500 RPM. Along with the 2 speeds, it is a variable speed. So if you press it a little bit, it goes slow. Press it a lot, it goes fast. Right up by your thumb makes it go forward and reverse. It is a 20-volt battery, and I really like this feature right here. This will allow it to hang on your belt. So this happens to me a lot. You're up on the ladder, you're working, and you got to work with your hands to put this down. You lay it on the ladder, and it moves, and it falls off. Well, this little hook right here, you can hook it to a pocket, hook it to your pants, wherever's convenient, and then pull it off. So you don't have to wear a separate tool bag. It also has these torque settings, and it runs from 1 to 21. And what that means is it will slip at certain points. So for instance, if I just grab this, see, it slips. So it keeps you from stripping screws or over tightening screws. So 1 is the lowest, 21 is the highest, and you put it all the way, and that doesn't slip at all. You can screw things until you can't screw it anymore. You don't need any extra tools to put in a drill bit or a screwdriver bit. You just push this in, give this a turn, tighten it. It actually clicks. I like this. I can feel it click, and then you're ready to go. So if you've watched any of my previous videos, you know that I've been using this Black & Decker 18 volt for a long time, and I'm noticing just how big and heavy this thing is. This Hychika is very lightweight, and at 20 volts, a little bit stronger. I wanted to compare a comparable Black & Decker, not this one. Black & Decker has a 2-speed 20-volt drill. Comparable numbers. They're both lithium batteries. The speeds are comparable. The weights are about the same. Hychika has a little bit better battery. It has a 2000 milliamp hour, where the Black & Decker has a 1500 milliamp hour. Nice thing about the battery, it's a 1 hour quick charge. I like this little feature right here. You just push this button and the lights will come on, and it's just got a 1, 2, 3 telling you how much power you got left. So that's really nice. By the way, this hanger, you can put it on this side or the other side. Either one works. So while I don't have the Black & Decker 20 volt, so I'll use both of these to put some long screws and some 2x4s just to show you how each of them work. I've got two 2x4s, some 3-inch screws, and I'll drill a couple on the Hychika side on the left and a couple on the Black & Decker on the right. So here is the first one. So I'm going to do this at the number 1 setting on the top. There's no pilot holes, I'm just drilling into 2x4s. That had no problem getting in. I'm going to do this on the number 2 setting now. Okay. That went in really fast. Now we'll come over to the Black & Decker side. Only got 1 speed on this. I'm splitting my wood, but it goes all the way in. So neither one of these has an issue. But Black & Decker does make a 2-speed model 20 volt comparable to this. Theirs runs about $75. And again, this one is in the $50 price range. I like it. For getting the toolkit, the bag, the battery, the charger, and the drill, all for $50. Yeah, how can you go wrong? I will show you something I do on my drills. This is a magnet, and you probably have some of these chip clips in your house and they break from time to time. Don't throw them away, save the magnet. There's a rare earth magnet inside of them. I just glue them on, and that way if you've got 2 bits you're working with, it'll stay right there. Now this one does come with a clip. This one I don't see a clip, but I can take one of these rare earth magnets and just glue it right there, and that way if I ever need it, there it is. That would be a nice addition, a place to put a spare bit. I like this. It is lightweight and really packs a punch. We try to bring you review videos about things that can help you with homesteading, and this is something every homesteader should have. I will leave a link here. They do have other products that, yes, use the same battery. A high quality product. I think you'll get some really good use out of this at a very affordable price. You guys check it out. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit that bell, and you'll get notified of new videos. There are some other review videos that I've made, and I'll put a link somewhere up in here. Thanks for watching, and see you guys soon on the homestead. All right, bye.